Hi everyone and welcome to my newly upgraded man cave slash Lego corner room thingy. So for the last few months I was renovating my apartment, and of course I took great care in also upgrading my Lego situation. So first we have these three closets which have LED backlight. Oh, talk about backlights. Hey Google, all lights on. So I have RGB strips in all the rooms and they really help with setting up a nice mood. Anyway, back to the closets. The closets are used both for storing finished projects or almost finished like this one, and the individual parts. So we have panels which are a bit overflowing here. I recently took apart a larger project. Then we have pins and axle joiners and axles. Then we have gears and frames and things like that here. Ooh, these gears, those are big ones. And here, another unreleased project which I will publish probably very soon. Lift arms and of course bent lift arms. Some floats, some fake engines, some older panel types, things like that. And if you look in more detail, you can see that all the bricks are stored in similar boxes. And I designed and 3D printed these boxes myself. Now, the gray ones means that they are my personal collection, while the red ones are used for work, so these are Buwis bricks. And if you look into the boxes, you can see that they are different sizes, but they are all interlockable, so you can easily remove it, and they're also stackable, so they kind of catch on top of each other because of the way the bottom is designed. So they come in different sizes. Each module, let's say like that, is 9 by 9 centimeters, and my printer allows all the way up to 27 by 27 centimeters for the really big ones. And they are quite strong. You can easily grab them, shake them. They do bend, but they are really hard to break because I'm using a very strong material, and I think they are really a good solution to help organize stuff. Another thing that helps me when I'm building is that this table is liftable. So this table is used for building, for work-related stuff, and because it can be lifted and lowered, it really helps me and my back especially when I'm building for prolonged amounts of time. On the other side, I have an IKEA closet, and this one is also filled with models. Some of these still need to have proper videos made, older off-roaders. And yes, the Universal Off-Roader, I uploaded the LDD LXF file. You can find it in the original video. Now please remember that you need to upgrade your Lego Digital Designer in order to actually open the file correctly. So yes, this is the IKEA closet. A bit more stuff here, and that's about it. And here we have my own computer table, and this one is also liftable, but it's a bit smarter than the other one because it actually shows the height. And here is yes, Lego Digital Designer with another project I'm working on. And lastly, I wanted to show you the prototypes of the boxes. So these were the original prototypes. They were much thicker and they used way more material. So in the end I decided to use thinner walls, and I printed them all with 0.8 nozzle and 0.4 millimeter layer height with a very strong material. So in the end we got these boxes. And if we took one final look around the room, you can see I also decorated with some vaporwave, synthwave, cyberpunk, however you call it, art, because I really like the aesthetics. And if you also like the way this room turned out, then please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a good one. Bye bye.